Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is conquer. It is pronounced con-quer and spelt C-O-N-Q-U-E-R. Think con, then Q-U, and then E-R. Conquer means to overcome or defeat an enemy or opponent in order to gain control or dominance over something. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about someone who has achieved victory over something. For example, you could say, he conquered his fear of heights by climbing the steep mountain, or the mighty army conquered all of its foes. The word conquer comes from the Latin word conquere, which means to seize or take by force. Today, its meaning is similar, but does not refer specifically to taking something. It means winning or taking over something. In the film, The Lion King, Simba is ousted by his evil uncle Scar. However, Simba, the Lion Prince, eventually overcomes his fear and reclaims his rightful place as King of the Pride Lands, conquering Scar and retaining his rightful position as the Lion King. Synonyms for conquer are vanquish, defeat, overcome, and subjugate. Antonyms for conquer include lose, surrender, yield, and succumb. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, conquer. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.